This is another dream that I had about an atomic blast in Wyoming. It's very short. I found myself in a desert clearing where there was very little vegetation. It was a large parking lot at a crossroads. There were press and media trucks, cameras, and newsmen scattered around in a general atmosphere of panic. There had just been a nuclear explosion in Wyoming. It had devastated a very large area, which was now restricted from anyone entering. Even the newsman who was preparing himself to go on the air was at risk from radiation poisoning. I remember in this dream that the skies were very dark, and it seemed to be sometime in the winter. As I look back on this dream, I think a lot about Yellowstone and the possibility of an eruption there. But I have to say that when I went to check the details of this dream, it very specifically said that there was some kind of nuclear event that happened in Wyoming. And I know that there are quite a few silos that haven't been decommissioned in Wyoming, so I don't know if it has anything to do with that or not. This dream was on April 5th in 2007. We want to keep the people of Wyoming and pray for mercy, that the Lord will have mercy and prevent things like this from happening because of our prayers. This is a dream that took place on December 31st, 2006, a devastating earthquake. The ring of fire swayed back and forth like a bowl full of jelly. A deep heaviness fell upon my soul in prayer, and I saw what appeared to be a very rough bowl-shaped depression in the earth, filled with liquid, swaying back and forth from side to side. It looked like a bowl full of jelly. I recognized this formation as the ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean, as the Lord lifted me up in the spirit above the earth. Below me was the city of San Francisco in rubble. I saw a man walking out of it dazed and injured. To the south, where Los Angeles had been, a dinghy was floating past a pointed object protruding from the water. I recognized it as the very top of a skyscraper. It slowly sank further down into the water until it could be seen no more. I saw a volcano far to the north along the coast. The whole right side, southeast facing, of the mountain had spilled out and collapsed. The entire west coast had a different shape I did not recognize. The spirit within me began grieving as I cried out, "Mercy, Lord, mercy," over and over again. Then a new prayer echoed forth, repentance, conversion. Repentance, conversion. Mercy, Lord, mercy.